Hey, I'm Mike Davenport, the owner here at Mike's Car Store located in Georgetown, Indiana, where buying a car doesn't have to suck. Behind me is our 2014 Murano SL all-wheel drive, and this thing is absolutely sweet. This is probably the most inspected vehicle on the market today. This thing has been through, I think, at least 4 to 5 inspections. So we're gonna walk around just so I can show you the car, but we do a 172 point inspection here at the store. And then because of my main YouTube channel, Chevy Dude, we did a video with a third-party company called Lemon Squad who inspected it. And then I did an inspection at the auction where I picked this up. And then I also inspected it myself. So we have 4 sets of eyes on this thing, and this thing is absolutely sweet. And the biggest issues with Nissans is the CVT transmission. We know that it's a very well documented case. Well, you don't have to worry about this one here because it's got 104,000 miles on it. When I did the inspection, I found the Nissan death code on the CVT transmission. So we put a brand new, not a junkyard, not a rebuilt, not a something from another company, straight from Nissan, brand new CVT transmission in this vehicle as of today. So let's just hop right inside this bad boy. I absolutely love the SL because obviously you can see that it brings you leather, and being that this was the first year, we have all sorts of fun things down here. We got power lift gate, we got power fold seats, we got the power doors off or on right here. And then speaking of the doors, we'll come over here and look at this. So you can see we got memory seating, we got automatic windows for the front, of course power mirrors down there, as everything has power mirrors, but power seat with lumbar control right there as well. And then we'll pick up this bad boy, and you can see there's no issues there either. Tilt and just tilt steering wheel, I think, on that. I'll trouble check when we hop in the car, but yes, so we can see the seats. I always love to show the seat bolsters, nothing crazy on there. And right here we have the mileage of 104,806, and as you can see, there is no check engine lights, any illuminations for components on the vehicle, no issues at all. Coming back to the steering wheel, we have the source, we have volume here, looks like Bluetooth, we got cruise control over here, you have automatic lights there that we're going to put that in, and of course you got automatic adjustable wipers as well. 104,806 is the mileage. I think I already said that, but looking at the steering wheel, we have no issues here as well. I always love to show the dash right there, and please pay no attention to our Countach pulling out, but Bose radio system, you can see there's no issue on the dash either. So we do have, because of my filter, it's gonna be a little bit tough to see, but we do have backup camera on here. We do have all sorts of fun things up there on the radio as well. Push to start. We got the CD disc changer down here, dual climate control down here as well, which way I need to turn that down. We got heated seats down there along with the all-wheel drive control, and you can see we have a 12-volt outlet and plenty of storage down there as well. We have a little bit of storage right here, cup holders right there, and then you have a dual center console here, so you get a little tray there, and on the inside we have USB, which is right here, and then you have another 12-volt outlet down there as well, and then old school audio jacks as well. Moving up to the mirror, we got HomeLink garage door system up here, compass in there, and then garage sunglasses holder there, and then nice dual sunroof back here as well. So we got 2 sunroofs, which is nice. This one stays stationary, this one opens, and then also the shade is completely 100% power as well. Oops, that was going to start automatically, so you can see that closes as well, which is super nice. We're going to open that all back up as well. Moving to the back, we'll start off by showing the door right here. You can see, don't see any issues here at all. Looking to the back seats, trying to get in here with the way the sun is this morning as I'm doing this, but you can see nothing real issues or concerns there. We do have, is this a cup holder? Yep, a little storage there, so storage right there. Cup holders are going to be in there, so you got an armrest along with cup holders, and then these seats do fold flat too, which is power control from the front also if you want to do that from up there Moving to the back, this is an SL all-wheel drive, so it gives us a lot of these goodies like the power liftgate. Super nice to have when you need it. So we got trunk liner in here as well. So this is something that's you know, you get from the accessory department. We got the spare tire, we got the Bose down there, and we have all the jacks and controls for that as well. So you can see we do have the sunshade for this also. I just took it out because when we got the transmission, we put the transmission back here, so we do have the sunshade for this as well. So you do have cargo storage, like to protect it so nobody can see in it, especially during the Christmas time and season like that when people are looking to do goofy things. But all nice stuff back there, and we got power liftgate that'll shut just like that. Moving to the passenger rear, you can see the door again. Don't see anything crazy there. I do like to point out any flaws. I guess a little itty bitty something right there. Any flaws in the vehicle, so that way you know, because I ship cars all over the country, and we actually want you to know before you come out or before the vehicle is delivered of any issues or concerns. So something like that, just that little pocket has been stretched out a little bit. Someone's kid kind of probably put too much in there, but yeah, nothing crazy about the back here on the passenger side either. And we'll move up to the front passenger. So again, don't see anything crazy here, just like maybe a little wear right there, but you got your automatic window, power locks. We got power passenger seat on this side. You can see the Murano factory floor mat. Nothing crazy with the seats either. One thing I love about the Muranos is nice, huge glove box. Look how far that thing goes back. Owner's manual is present, and again, no issues on the dash or anything like that over here. Under the hood is a 3.5 liter V6 engine, which does absolutely awesome. And part of our 172 point inspection on the car is change the engine air filter, change the cabin air filter, change the engine oil with synthetic oil, do an oil filter change, and then top off any fluids that need to be topped off. So everything under here looks great. We didn't find any issues with this vehicle outside that transmission. And I'm going to shut up for a second so you can hear the engine run, so you can see that it runs as operational as supposed to be. And the last thing I love to do is just kind of walk around the vehicle one more time and show you any imperfections on the outside, show you up close on the tires and the wheels. And the only thing that I'll say is this is a 100,000 mile vehicle. You're gonna have some stuff on it, but I'm still in the process of touching stuff up, so you're gonna see some touch-ups here and there. No dents in the car anywhere, nothing crazy at all. So I'm trying to locate this trim piece here. This one and the passenger side is doing this deterioration. Nothing of a big deal, but it's actually been a little hard to find with everything in this world right now is being tough to find. So nothing, just little touch-ups back here. So lights look good, no issues or anything like that. So since I'm 6'3", I can see the top fine. So I always like to show the top up here, which looks good. Nothing back here. We're gonna walk around, just kind of look. Nothing here. So we'll look at the passenger rear tire first. Looks like a little scrape right there, but these are essentially brand new tires on here, which is really super nice to have. Nothing crazy. I don't see anything over here. Little scratch right there, nothing of a big deal, nothing on the mirror. We'll look at this front passenger wheel as well. Little mark there, little mark there. Again, basically brand new tire depth. I'm gonna look this way as well so you can see that way. Looking through the front, just some touch-ups that were already done on the vehicle. A little scratch here that probably can be buffed off. So don't see anything crazy there. And then the front driver wheel, so you can see that, and you can see the wheels, tires there. And then we'll move back here so I can show you this one, since I skipped these when I was over here. So a little mark right there, but nothing crazy. And just like the other three, the exact same hood depth as the other three. And that is our 2014 Nissan Moreno SL all-wheel drive. I'm Mike Davenport, the owner here at Mike's Car Store. We're located in Georgetown, Indiana. Anything we can do for you, reach out to us at mikescarstore.com. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day and drive safely.